So some of your drawings might be big and some are small. So what we're going to do for this video is we are going to enlarge some of our drawings, and that's using the scale command. Okay, so the scale tool or the scale command will be found under modify, and then it should be this button here. It says scale. When you click that, the first thing it's going to ask you is select the objects that you want to scale. So because I wanted to enlarge this little thingy here, I'm going to select that with a box. Just like always, after you are done with selecting, you can press enter. You can click this check box over here, and then you're done. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click somewhere like in the center. Okay, anywhere there, doesn't matter. And when you click on that one, you can drag your mouse. It will enlarge it. Okay, until you have it the way that you want. You can even type in a number. So let's say I want to double the size. So over here, if I want to double the size, I can simply type in 2. Okay, and then when I press enter, that will be double the size of this one. This was what it was originally. Now it's double. So I can either type in a number to enlarge it. 2 means double, 3 times triple, and all that other stuff. It could also shrink it. If I type in 0.5, it will become half of its size. Okay, so if I click in scale and I select this, okay, and then check mark, and then click anywhere, and then if I type in over here 0.5, that means I don't want to enlarge it. I want to shrink it to 50%. And when I press enter, it's back to this size. Okay, so you can type in a number. It's a multiplier, and that's called the scale factor. But if you just want to like visually see that it is enlarging or scaling, scale, select object, press check, click anywhere on the center, and then drag your mouse until you got it at what you think it is, and simply click. Okay, and there you go. All right, so you're gonna do the same thing here. You're gonna click scale. You're going to select, press enter or check the box over here, point, and then drag your mouse until it is what size you want it to be. All right, so that's using the scale command.